Today we're going to talk about the incredible edible egg. Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today's lesson is how to order eggs in a restaurant. How to order eggs in a restaurant. Yeah, there are specific ways to order your eggs. You could have them in a variety of ways, and today we're going to talk about it. But first, we're going to talk about the two parts of the egg. We have the egg yolk and the egg white. Yeah, why is it not the egg yellow and the egg white? I don't know, but it's English, so who knows? Egg yolk, egg white. And how we order the eggs is how we change the yolk and the white. Are you ready? First up we have over easy. Over easy. I love over easy eggs. Me too. They're so delicious. The yolk, I can dip my toast in the yolk. Got it. How about over medium? Over medium, yeah, I can do that too. I can dip my toast a little bit in the over medium. I could spread it on. Over hard. Over hard. The yolk is very, very firm. Over hard. Do you like your eggs over hard? Maybe you prefer your eggs sunny side up. Oh, they look so happy. Sunny side up. I do not like sunny side up because the yolk is a little too runny and the white is runny. What does runny mean? Take a look at that. A runny yolk or runny white. Got it. Maybe you like your eggs scrambled. I like scrambled eggs. I like to put hot sauce on my scrambled eggs. Or perhaps you like a hard-boiled egg. A hard-boiled egg, I like those too, but they're hard to peel sometimes. In a hard-boiled egg, the yolk is very firm. Hard-boiled egg. Got it. Maybe you like your eggs poached. Poached? Yes, poached. Bill loves his eggs poached. Or you could have them soft-boiled, which looks a little bit like poached. Who knew there were so many ways to order eggs? Let's review. Over easy, over medium, over hard. Sunny side up, not my favorite. Scrambled. Hard boiled. Poached. And soft boiled. Why does English have so many ways to order eggs? I mean, it's an egg. It's a white and it's a yolk. Well, because it's an incredible edible egg. But why does English have so many ways to order eggs? Because they're so delicious. Which one is your favorite way to order eggs? Tell me in the comments. Peace, friends. Go on, go get some eggs.